The next and final area in the Canvas graphics 3D transform category of HTML5 is I'm going to present is SVG. SVG is vector graphics, and vector graphics, you can read about that online in the course about how vector graphics differ from raster graphics. But basically it's a way with that you draw lines, and so you use math and different functions to draw images or pictures instead of having pixel-based. The benefits of this is that it's much faster. It's not downloaded. They're computed on the fly, the actual images, and they're entirely scalable. So they're scalable to small screens up to large screens. And you can see the code in front of you. Basically, there are tags, and so now with HTML5, you have an SVG tag, and you can see that you set different parameters. And you can, in the tags, you have circles, you have polygons, you have rectangles, and so forth. So here we can see I have two different SVG. I have this one, is the first one, and then there's the start and end tag for the second one. And we can look at the picture online here, and I draw a circle, and here I draw a circle and a square and then a polygon. You can see how they overlap, and once again, similar to the Canvas structure, if I right click, there's no image to save. This is just being drawn in the browser on the fly. Also, what I show at the bottom is something similar to vector graphics. You have support for a vector graphic or a language to draw mathematical equations. There's varying support for this in the web browsers, but I thought I'd show it as a similar structure. It's XML based, both of these, you know, that you use XML to create languages, to create tags. And so we can recognize that the tags seem similar as they do in HTML. But so you have math is a start tag, and at the bottom you have math here as well. And then you have entries and fractions and rows and so forth. So you can set and give yourself a mathematical formula to draw and use it online. If you have need of vector graphics, you now have the ability to use them directly in your web pages. So here's the code to do that, and you can experiment it, download the code online as usual. Thanks.